right, welcome to a installation overview, and this happens to be a Tacoma Stage 2. So this will apply to any Stage 2 headlight for the most part. In this case, it's the 2012-2015 Toyota Tacoma light. So this is what the back of the headlight is going to look like. Just a couple housekeeping items. You've got your stock adjustment screws right here and here. In some cases, you may only have one adjustment screw depending on your vehicle. You've got a rubber dust cap, and then you've got the wires coming out of the bottom of the dust cap, right? So behind here is our projector and all the cool stuff that you ordered with your headlight. Now, there is a diagram online. Go to HIDprojectors.com, and in the information section, there's an installation link that you can click on. There's also a URL when you received your vehicle. That'll be on your invoice. Type that in, and you can download the instructions there as well, and there are a few other videos there too. But real quick, 3 things to hook up. 3 items. First one is going to be your main headlight plug. In this case, it's an H4 because this is a Tacoma. So this will plug right in. This will give you low beam and high beam plug and play, ready to roll, right? Make your small adjustments based on your height adjustments. So you're going to park 25, 30 feet away from a wall and then set your height, kind of tweak that a little bit, and you'll be ready to roll. The next thing is the Devil Eye. You'll see the Devil Eye has 3 wires coming out of the back of it. A red wire, a black wire, and a white wire. The white wire we'll talk about last. Switch to 12 volt source for the red, and then black goes to ground. So put this on a switch with a fuse, and you can turn the Devil Eye on and off whenever you want. The white wire, which is completely optional, can be tied in to the power for the low beam. So that would be like here or here on the brown wire. And if you do that, it's an automatic shutoff wire. It will automatically shut the Devil Eye off when it receives power to this wire. That's important because you don't want to run the Devil Eye when you run your low beam. The additional heat caused can damage that diode. So it's important to put it on a switch. And if you want it to be automatically turned off, use the white wire. If you don't, you can just tie this up or clip it away. So super simple for the Devil Eye, and then super simple for the Angel Eyes. Front and rear Angel Eyes are exactly the same. They're color coded, so you have a blue paint pen here for the front Angel Eye and a green paint pen here for the rear Angel Eye. Those go to these driver boxes, and they're also labeled and numbered too, so 105 millimeters for the rear in this case, 84 for the front. Coming off at the end of those are these 2 pigtails. These are identical. They have 3 wires, black, red, and yellow. So just like with the Devil Eye, red to switch to 12 volt source, black to ground. If you wanted this to be a daytime running light, hook it up to a daytime running light source or something that's hot and run. It'll be on anytime your ignition's on. Again, make sure you turn it off when you put your low beams on. The yellow wire gets tapped into your turn signal circuit. Anytime that receives 12 volts, it'll turn the Angel Eye amber. So if you wanted this to be your daytime running light, this goes to the 12 volt source all the time, and the red does not, right? And you can just kind of run amber with just red and black and leave that to the side. So we do provide you these T-taps. You can use those. You can splice in and solder or tap in and do anything you'd like. That's all easy to do. It's exactly for front and rear, and they can share the same power, the same ground, the same turn signal wire. So you can combine these into one and then make your connections to make it easier for you. So I hope that helps. That's kind of a quick walkthrough. There is a diagram online that kind of writes all this out. You can see it. Of course, we're always a phone call away at 716-662-3479 if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.